Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we are going to show you how to get Anubis pretty early in Palworld. Now, Anubis is one of the best pals that you can have in Palworld, both in your base and there he goes, in your base and in combat. So if you press M on your map, as you can see, I haven't even beaten the guy. He's at level 47. So this is where Anubis is at. We are at level 50 and our pals are pretty much around his level, but it is so hard to beat him. So how do you get Anubis pretty early? There are a few ways you can do it through breeding. The first of which is Dig Toys and Relaxsaurus. Now, Dig Toys, if you go tab and go to Pal Deck, Dig Toys is pretty easy to get. Let's just go find him. There you go. Dig Toys, we're under attack. Habitat is going to be here in the desert area. This is the fastest way to get them over here. And then Relaxsaurus is one of the goofiest looking pals. He's pretty much in this area, right? So you can just go to Pal Deck. Although Relaxsaurus is a bit tricky to catch because they are kind of strong, especially at a very early stage. Second option is you need to go get a Grisbolt, which is kind of hard, especially now that you can't cheese the boss Zoe and Grisbolt anymore because they accidentally patched. The devs accidentally patched Zoe and Grisbolt, so you can't catch the bosses anymore. So if you go to Grisbolt and go to Habitat, he is going to be here in this sanctuary, in this area, southernmost sanctuary of the map. And just be careful because if you catch him, you're going to be chased by a lot of soldiers. So that's where you get Grisbolt. Next thing is you need to pair Grisbolt with a Loop Moon. So a Loop Moon is pretty easy to find because they're everywhere. So as you can see here, number 46 Loop Moon. As you can see, if you go to Habitat, it doesn't seem to be active at this time because it is day. If you click on night, it's practically everywhere. So again, this is very not hard to catch. All you need to have is like a different sex, a different gender of Grisbolt to the Loop Moon. It's Grisbolt and Capriti. This is another easy one because Capriti is everywhere, as you can see. She is everywhere near the starting area. And yeah, this is arguably the fastest way to get them. But the number one, which we'll be getting at in a minute, is the fastest way possible. So the last Grisbolt pair up is with Lavender. So Lavender are those schmexy looking pals. There you go, Lavender. Now, as you can see, it doesn't seem to be active this time, right? And you click at night, and it's here on a desert area. And you're like, I thought this was early. Yes, but here's the thing. You're not going to go after Lavender to the desert area. You will wait for raids to your base, right? So let's call back our Anubis. The easiest way is with these two. And as you can see, this is a Penking and this is a Bushi. Now, there are both kind of like bosses, overworld bosses. So how do you get a Penking and a Bushi? It's very easy. Go to your map, and Penkings is one of the first bosses that you can take on, which is at level 15. As you can see here, I've already defeated Penking. So after that, at level 23 here, you can get Bushi. So at around level 23, you can get a Anubis. So as you can see here, this is a pair up that's the best to get an Anubis. So once you create a cake, once you have a farm, once you have everything set up for breeding, and these two make sweet love, as you can see, we're going to have a huge rocky egg. After this, let's take the huge rocky egg. So once we hatch this big rocky egg, as you can see, this is probably going to take 2-3 hours if you're playing with normal settings, but I have mine in instant hatch because I've been hatching quite a bit. So if we press F, right, and as you can see, Anubis was born. And if you go to our party, here she is. As you can see, Anubis level 1 has Artisan and Stronghold Strategist, Zen Mind, and Pyromaniac. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.